हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज लेक्चर 223। इस लेक्चर में हम आपको एक बीम लेके आए हैं। ए बी सी 3 सपोर्ट हैं और डी पर हिंज है। दिस इज अ बीम विच इज हैविंग 3 सपोर्ट्स ए बी एंड सी एंड 1 पॉइंट डी इज हिंज। इस बीम के लिए हमें क्या करना है कि बी ए बी 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 सी को फाइंड आउट का इन्फ्लुएंस लाइन ड्रा करना है और बी पॉइंट रिएक्शंस के लिए बेंडिंग मोमेंट का भी इन्फ्लुएंस लाइन डायग्राम करना है और उनकी मैक्सिमम वैल्यू को फाइंड करना है, जबकि 60 किलोन्यूटन पर मीटर का कोई यूडीएल है जो कोई पोजीशन को फुल पोजीशन को या किसी भी पोजीशन को ऑक्युपाई कर सकता है। सो वी आर हैविंग अ प्रॉब्लम हैविंग ए बीम हैविंग 3 सपोर्ट्स A, B and C and a D. This is a hinge. The dimensions are given and we have to find out the influence line for BA, BB, BC and bending moment and reaction B when the 60 kilonewton per running meter load can take any position. So we will find the quantity of maximum BA, BB, BC, negative quantity and bending moment and B. So let us first of all let us draw the BA influence line for BA. Let us you try to understand if BA के लिए आप ड्रा करोगे तो क्या करोगे? BA के लिए 1 यूनिट यहाँ हो जाएगी. Let us draw how we will draw the. This is 1 unit. At 1 unit and at this point this will be 0. We can have always if it is 1 unit at BA, so this will be at BB, it will be 0. Load is here. So here it will be 0. At BB load shifted here, then BA will be 0. And this will extend as we have shown. So you will get this point and merge with this thing. What is this point? This point at this you see. Take the moment about B. So take moment about B. Unit load is 8D. Unit load 8D. So your configuration is something like this. This is your BA, this is your BB, this is unit load 1. This distance is 3 meter and this is 6 meter. So take moment about this. Here this is your BA and this is your BB. So you can say BA into 6 equals to 1 into 3, right? So BA equals to 3 by 6, that is half. So this ordinate will be half. This ordinate and this will be negative, right? This is negative. This is IL for BA. This is IL for BA. So you can understand, as usually we used to draw for BA, BB, AB, this is 1 unit. So this will be 0 and this extend something like that and you will find half and at this point this will be 0 because this is a hinge, so across the BA will be not effective and it will be 0 at this point. So this is your point A, this is point A, this is your point B, this is your point D and this is your point C. So we are getting this value. So let us अब आगे क्या करते हैं कि आगे हम जो है बीबी के लिए ड्रा करते हैं। तो बीबी के लिए जब ड्रा करेंगे तो आप सबसे पहले क्या करोगे? 1 पॉइंट पे चले जाओगे। आप यहाँ पर इस पॉइंट को यूनिट ले लोगे और इस पॉइंट पे 0 कर दोगे। अब ये चीजें जब आगे आएंगी तो इसको आप एक्सटेंड करोगे। एक्सटेंड करके आप इस पॉइंट पे आ जाओगे। सपोज कर थोड़ा डाउन कर देते हैं इसको, इससे डायग्राम ड्रा करने में कोई दिक्कत ना हो। लेट अस ड्रा दी बीबी। So we'll draw the BB in this way. In this way we'll draw. So we're taking like this. So this we draw like this. So we'll go like this at this point and this group all here. This will be for BB. BB. BB for BB. So here it is 1 unit. 1 unit. And what will happen at D? At D this unit. So take moment about A. So BA, BB into 6 equals to 1 into 9. This is what? This is something like this. This is your BA this is your BB, BA, and this is 1 unit load at a distance of 9 meter, and this is at a distance of 6 meter. So taking moment about this BA, taking moment about BA, A moment about A, BB into 6, so BB will be 9 by 6, that is 3 by 2, that is 1.5. So this will be your 1.5. Okay, and this will be 0. This is obvious. This is obvious. At C, this will be 0. And what will happen for the third one, C, BC, for BC? For BC, you will find here BC. At this point will be 0, at this point will be 1. At this point will be 1, and at this point will be 0, because D is a hinge. So this will be 1 unit. This is for BC. So this is clear. This is clear. Then you can always draw the. And what will happen for the bending moment at point B? Let us see. Let us see how to draw the bending moment. So for this you will find that the load is between, the load आपका A और B के बीच में है, तो bending moment at B will be 0. Will be 0. If it is shifted, if it is at B, at this point it is 0. And what will happen at this point? This point, at this point, what will be the moment? Moment will be 1 unit into 3. So at B, moment when unit load at B, this will be MB will be -1 into 3. So this will be your, in this way, and in this will, this is your 3 unit. This is your negative. This is your BM. At B, this is bending moment at B. This is a 3 unit, this is 0, this is 0, and this will be 3 unit. So this is your BMD. And now you can always find out. अब आप इस समय क्या कर सकते हैं? Find out कर सकते हैं UDL जो रन कर रहा है. तो इस पॉइंट से इस पॉइंट तक जो डिस्टेंस है, आपकी एक 6 मीटर है. तो यहाँ पर UDL टोटल यहाँ से यहाँ तक आप रख देंगे मैक्सिमम के लिए, अप टू हियर, और मिनिमम के लिए आप यहाँ से यहाँ तक रख देंगे. दिस विल बी पोजीशन. सो व्हाट विल बी, फर्स्ट में क्या हो जाएगा BA के लिए? BA के मैक्सिमम BA, मैक्स BA पॉजिटिव विल बी 1 into 6 by 2 multiplied by 60. So this will be your 30 plus 180 kilonewton, right? And what will be negative one? This will be your 6 into 1 by 2 multiplied by this 6 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 half. This is triangle multiplied by 60. So this will be 3. This will be 30. So this is 90 kilonewton. This is negative. This is negative. And what will be for this BB? For BB, maximum value will be your 12 into 1.5 divided by 2 multiplied by 60. So this will be your 6, 540. This is your plus 540 kilonewton. This will be for BB. And what will be for BC? This will be also positive. So 1 into 3 by 2 into 60. So this will be your 90 for BC. For BC maximum value. And what is bending moment? This will be your 6 into 3 by 2 multiplied by 60. So this will be your 30. Now 540. This is 540 kilonewton meter, and this will be negative. So these are the value. You can always find out. आप इसको सभी चीजों को इनके इस एरिया के माध्यम से इनको मल्टीप्लाई करके पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव वैल्यूज को ऑलवेज फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. तो इस तरीके से if for a given problems, if A, B, C and D is hinge, for that you can always find out the influence line diagram for BA, BB and BC, and the bending moment at B also we have drawn, and corresponding we can find out the quantity, yeah, value maximum or the maximum positive and maximum negative value we have evaluated over here. तो थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग अस, हमारे साथ रहने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। हम समझते हैं कि आगे कुछ और प्रॉब्लम लेके आएंगे जिसको हम करेंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।